everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. This is Umarana Mahapatra is going to explain perfect tenses. The perfect tense is used to show actions that are completed at a certain point in time. They emphasize the relationship between the timing of the action and a specific time or event. There are three types of perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. We will see all these tenses in this video. Firstly, I am going to explain present perfect. So let's get started. We use present perfect to talk about experiences. For example, she has never tried. She has never tried dancing. Okay? He has traveled to several countries in Europe. Okay? So to talk about experiences, we use present perfect. I have eaten dragon fruit. I have worked hard in my life. Okay? The experiences we have to express in present perfect. Then we use present perfect to describe actions that completed at an unspecified time in the past. She has visited Paris. She has visited Paris. Okay? To describe actions that are completed at an unspecified time in the past, there is not any time mentioned, but something happened. She has visited Paris. That will be expressed in present perfect, right? Then I have climbed a mountain. I have played cricket. Okay? Then to describe actions that started in the past and continue in the present, there you use present perfect. For example, we have lived here for 10 years. They have gone to London. Here, the action started in the past and continuing still now. They have gone to London means they are still now they are in London. There you use present perfect. We use present perfect to discuss recent actions with present relevance. Recent action. Suppose I am doing my homework and just now I have completed. There you use present perfect. What is that? I have finished. I have finished my homework. Okay. Then my mother has cooked our food or prepared our food. Okay. What is the structure of present perfect? The structure of a present perfect: subject plus have or has plus past participle form. Past participle form of a verb. Let's get past perfect. We use past perfect to show that one action was completed before another action or event in the past. For example, the train had departed. The train had departed when we reached the station. Okay, when we reached the station. Then she had forgotten her keys at home. She had forgotten her keys at home, so she couldn't. Couldn't enter the house. The structure of a past perfect, subject plus had. Auxiliary verb, past perfect auxiliary verb had plus past participle form of a verb. Past participle form of a verb. Past participle form of a verb, right? We use past perfect to express regret or missed opportunities in the past. For example, when I reached there, when I reached there, when I reached there, everyone had left the place. When I reached there, everyone had left the place. Okay? By the time you called me, by the time you called me, I had already eaten. By the time you called me, I had already taken my lunch. I had already eaten. Okay? In such way, we use past perfect tense. What are the time markers? Time markers for past perfect: after, before, by the time, when, etc. Okay? Then we'll see future perfect. Let's see future perfect. The structure of future perfect: subject plus will have plus be3. That means past participle form of verb. Where you use future perfect, we use future perfect to show that an action will be completed by a specific time in future. That means by next year, for example, by next year, I will have graduated. Right? By 10 p.m., by 10 p.m., I will have taken my dinner. This is how we use future perfect to predict the completion of a task. I will have finished the project I will have finished the project by tomorrow. Before you reach, before you reach, she will have before you reach, she will have taken the risk. This is how we use future perfect. The time markers for future perfect: before, by the time, by, etc. These are the time markers. Okay. Let's understand in detail from key differences between present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. What is the feature? What are the helping verbs for the tenses? Helping verb for present perfect, have or has. For past perfect, had. For future perfect, will have. Then time reference. In for present perfect, time reference past to present. For past perfect, past to past. For future perfect, present to future. Okay. Example, I have eaten. Okay. Past, I had eaten, past perfect. Future perfect, I will have eaten. These are the key differences. Let's make clear through the context. Examples in context. For present perfect, I have learned Spanish for 2 years. Okay. What will be for in past perfect? I had learned Spanish. I had learned Spanish before I moved to Spain. Right? For future perfect, the sentence will be by the end of next year. By the end of next year, I will have learned Spanish. I hope you got the chapter very clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.